Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be talking to you about the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program and specifically about the Express Entry Stream. So if you are outside of Canada, you're looking to move to Canada and you want to do so by applying to the Alberta Provincial Nominee Program under the Express Entry Stream, stay with us, we'll have more information for you. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular updates when we post videos. And don't forget to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and those who are outside Canada to become Canadian permanent residents without having to go through all of the complicated immigration rules that are part of that process. In this video, I want to follow up on a previous video that we did on the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program. In this video, our focus is going to be on the Express Entry Stream. Now, the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program has different options for persons wanting to come to Canada. And again, in this video, we're going to be focusing only on the Express Entry, program, the Express Entry Stream. Okay, so that's the focus of this video. Now, if you are outside Canada and you're looking to come to Canada, generally speaking, you have the option of applying for permanent residency under a program managed by the federal government, or you have the option of applying for permanent residency under a program managed by one of the provinces. And Alberta is one of the provinces that has an immigration option for persons wanting to apply for permanent residency. Now, both of these programs give you an opportunity to first create what's called an Express Entry profile. Now, Express Entry is really just a system that the federal government of Canada uses to select eligible applicants, and once it has selected eligible applicants, those eligible applicants get put into a pool. This is called the pool of eligible applicants. And then the federal government, for some of its programs, it pulls persons from this pool based on the number of points they've accumulated. So that's one of the purposes that this pool serves. But another purpose that this pool serves is that it also gives provinces like Alberta the opportunity to choose from a pre-selected pool of eligible applicants. And so the province of Alberta then goes into this pool and selects candidates based on the needs that the province identifies, based on the labor needs, its own labor needs that the province has identified. So that's what the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Express Entry Stream is about. And let us now touch quickly on how the program works and who is eligible to apply. So the Express Entry Stream is, as I indicated, it's based on the available information that is in the Express Entry portal. So what it means is that you would have had to create an Express Entry profile beforehand, meaning you'd have had to already have completed your English language exam or your French language exam and have scored at the applicable level. You would also have needed to have gotten your educational credentials assessed, okay? And then use that information to create a profile and known as an Express Entry profile. So you must already have an Express Entry profile set up. You must have been in the pool of eligible applicants. All right, so that's the first thing. The other thing is that you do not need to reach out to the province of Alberta and tell them that you're interested. What you need, what happens rather, is that the province of Alberta reaches out into the pool and identifies eligible applicants. All right, but you would need to indicate in your application that your province of preference is Alberta. Alberta must be indicated as a province of preference. All right. And then once you meet the province's criteria, the province will reach out and give you what's called a notice of a notification of interest letter. Okay, so that's what you'd be receiving from Alberta, and then once you receive that, you would need to respond within 2 weeks of receiving the letter, and they provide instructions on what you'll need to respond, and that is something that we would be able to help you with. Of course, like all other programs, I mean, there's no guarantee that even if you meet the selection requirements, that you will receive a notification of interest. Okay, so who qualifies? Okay, so you've set up your express entry profile. You're now inside the pool of eligible applicants. That's the first requirement. You need to have a profile set up and so that you can be invited to the pool of eligible applicants. So that's one thing. Again, you must have indicated an interest in immigrating permanently to Alberta. So if you indicated that your interest was to move to another province, then that will render you ineligible. So that's important. And you must be working in an occupation, a job type that is one of the identified jobs that the province of Alberta has identified as being important to its economic development and diversification. So that's important. Now, the score that you need to have in your express entry score, or the comprehensive ranking system score, is kind of one and the same. It's 300, which is a very low score. So it's a low bar, not a difficult score to meet, but that's a requirement, okay? Now, there are factors that are going to increase your chances, all right? So if you have a job offer from an employer in Alberta, that's going to increase your chances of the province reaching out to you with a notification letter. If you graduated from a Canadian post-secondary institution, that's also going to be to your benefit. And if you have relatives, specifically if you have a parent, a child, a sibling who is a permanent resident or citizen living in Alberta, those factors are going to be to your advantage, okay? Of course, there will be other factors that may decrease your chances. Again, if you've indicated an interest in another province, then that's not going to work to your favor. Or if you're working in one of the job types that the province has identified as not being priority, then that is going to work against you. All right. So in a nutshell, that is what the Alberta Immigrant Nominee program, the Express Entry Stream, is all about. If you have an interest in getting help with setting up your Express Entry profile, or if you need help with, if you've received a notification of interest or notification letter from the province, we're happy to provide you with immigration support as you complete your application for permanent residency under the Alberta Immigrant Nominee program, specifically under the Express Entry Stream. I trust you found value from this video, and as always, remember to like this video so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you will get notifications when more videos are released, and check us out on our channel, on our website at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks so much. See you again next time.